Hi, welcome to what's happening. Here are the top 5 stories. At number 1, the Court of Appeal on Thursday discharged the detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, of allegations of terrorism and treasonable felony. The 3-member panel of judges, led by Justice Jumai Hanatu, struck out the 7-count charges preferred against Kanu by the federal government. The panel held that the trial court had no jurisdiction to entertain the case following Kanu's extraordinary rendition from Kenya, which it said violated international law. Reacting to the judgments, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, said they would pursue other issues that predate the rendition, on the basis of which Kanu jumped bail. At number 2, the Academic Staff Union of Universities has officially suspended its 8-month strike. Recalling, the union embarked on a strike action on Monday, February 14, 2022. As of the time of filing this report, an official statement has not yet been issued by the union. However, the news comes after the National Executive Council meeting, which was held at the ASU Secretariat in Abuja. The meeting was called by the union to determine its next line of action after its state branches met over the Court of Appeal ruling last week. At number 3, Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike has upgraded the appointment of special assistants on political units from 28,000 to 50,000. This was disclosed in a statement on Thursday by the governor's spokesman, Kelvin Ebiri. Recalling, on Wednesday, Wike had appointed 28,000 for various political units on the all-rich states. The appointee included 14,000 special advisors, as well as 319 ward liaison officers and 40 local government area liaison officers. At number 4, Governor Aminu Masari has described census in Nigeria as politics of numbers and called on traditional rulers in Katsina to support the 2023 population and housing census. Masari made the call on Thursday in Katsina during a one-day stakeholder summit on the proposed 2023 population and housing census. He pointed out that since 1963, the census in Nigeria has been politicized. He urged traditional rulers to ensure that their subjects give the exact number of their family members without inflating it. At number 5, according to a report, a Brazilian judge on Thursday fined an American tech company, Apple, $20 million for selling iPhones without charges, calling it an abusive practice that forces customers to buy an additional product. The decision came after Brazil's Justice Ministry slapped a separate fine of nearly $2.5 million on Apple in September over the same issue and barred the US tech giant from selling its iPhone 12 and 13 models without charges. He ordered the company to supply charges to all consumers in Brazil who bought the iPhone models 12 and 13 in the past 2 years and begin including them with all new purchases. In 2020, Apple stopped including outlet charges with new iPhones, saying it wanted to help reduce electronics waste. That's all for now. See you next time on What's Happening.